Happy October 1st, theorists. This is Neil here with Option Theory, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. Today's cherry bomb will be a short put vertical, so we're going to be selling some premium here in NFLX, which seems to be on its way back up, but we do have earnings coming up, so this will be a earnings play, and we will have some high probabilities on this one. Netflix IV rank is 33, and its IV percentile is a 70%. So there is definitely a lot less days where the IV has been lower than this one. But I wouldn't expect it to go down just yet. It has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4, so it's pretty liquid. And it has a strong positive correlation with the SPY. So with that trade overview done, how about we hop on into our platform and build out this trade. Hi everybody, I'm Neil. This is Option Theory, as I said earlier, and we're going to do it a little different again today. Like we did yesterday, we used the web version, the web app of ThinkOrSwim, and just kind of want to play with it and learn it a little more. And why not? You know, we all learning all the time, right? So here you can see the risk graph for today's short put vertical. And we will build this trade out. So make sure that you, of course, we are in paper money and we're in ThinkOrSwim web. That's trade.thinkorswim.com. And I forgot to do my welcome. Welcome everybody. If you're new here, head on down to that description. We put on trades in ThinkOrSwim's paper money platform, building out a portfolio of cherry bomb trades and some other ideas that we get to test our theories on, right? And if you're new, head on down to that description and sign up for the Tasty Trades email blast for these cherry bombs. So we get them, we put them on, and we hope you enjoy doing that as well and learning along the way. For my already subscribed viewers, thank you so much for coming back, and I appreciate that you guys watch to the end of my videos. That does help me with YouTube for the effort that I put into these videos. So, all right, with that said, let's build out this trade. So we are in paper money. You can tell because you can toggle back and forth between live and paper. You'll see it here. When you see these yellow colors, you know, gold, called gold, right? Then you know you're in paper money. We're looking at the margin account, not the IRA right now. So in this find a symbol, type in Netflix and you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this, right? And what I did is, like I said yesterday in yesterday's video on gold, I just clicked on vertical and then I chose my expiration right here to the November monthly, which is 50 days to expiration as of today. And it was default, it was set to a call vertical. I wanted to put vertical, so I clicked here. Now I know I was going to be long the 435 and short the 440, right? With that, that was it. You can see that we're collecting $1.72 credit, which is a little bit better than 1/3 the width of the strikes on this one. And we can see here that this is our risk profile. We can see the current price leaves us right here. And you can see as we move this on this risk profile here, we can see where that is on the graph. So you can actually visualize your break evens here by doing one of two ways. You can go this way. Oh, it's gone now. I don't know. There we go. Apparently you have to come at this from the top. Don't come from the side. Or now it's working. All right. So if you get this to your break even, which is, once again, this is not the exact same thing as the regular desktop platform. But, you know, in a pinch, or if you can't install that software or if it's buggy, this is a good alternative, right? So I'm looking at this and I can see my break even on the candle chart to the left there is at about 440.11, right? Now, we can see there, we don't see here is our probabilities. We do have a P50 on this trade that is an 80% P50. That's awesome. And I believe a probability of profit that's 70%. So this is a high probability trade, right? Not super high, not like 90%, right? Because when you get those super high probabilities, your credit is very low. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to click on review and we'll see here that it tells us that our max profit's going to be the 171 here and our max possible loss will be that 328, right? So which doesn't quite look right. So 29. All right. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and put that as a send. I'm going to hit send that order. And I want to put out an alternative here, and I guess you can go ahead and see me build this as well. So what I'll do is I'm going to go over to vertical, like I did earlier, off screen, off camera, right? Choose the Novembers. And what I'm thinking about doing, and not in my IRA though, do this in the, I mean, not in the margin, but in the IRA. Okay, we're still in Netflix, choose vertical. Doesn't like it. Hang on, let's go back to the margin and delete this order. See that? Gone. Let's try that all over again. Look at that, giving us a little hiccup. No results for Netflix. That's cute. Let's refresh. Cancel selected. Did I just cancel my order? I canceled my order. Living, learning. All right, so we're in Netflix. Let's go to vertical. Let's rebuild the trade that I already put on. I'm in the margin account. That's going to be 435 in the puts. And they're going to do 440 is the long one. There we are. I'm going to hit review. I'm going to hit send. Now we're back to where we were, right? Cool. Let's switch over back to bring this one out. Let's go to the IRA. Put in Netflix. Let's see if we can build out another trade here. Now here we go. It took a little longer than I wanted. We're back in November, and what I'm thinking is, let's just test the widths. Let's go to the puts, and let's do a 445. I lied. 440 on this one and a 450 short put. What are we looking at there? All right, not quite a third. Felt like the one I had earlier was 440 was the short put. 30. That one seems better. Let's just go try a $10 wide one here in our IRA and see how that works. Why not, right? I'm going to go ahead and hit review, and we can see here that we are looking at a $703 as our max loss, $296 as our max profit, and we'll look to close that when it's about $150. All right, I'm going to hit send. I'm going to put that one in the IRA account. All right, so that is it for our trades for today using the ThinkOrSwim web platform. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you, wait, hang on a second. Let me give you your thumbs up. Thank you for making it this far. You deserve a thumbs up. I appreciate you. And if you think I deserve a thumbs up, would you please hit that thumbs up and maybe even subscribe if you have not yet and ring that bell, because these trades are obviously time sensitive. I appreciate your reviews, and I will look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's final cherry bomb of the week. Until then, happy trading, everyone.